Captain America Civil War. Steve Rogers is the world's first super soldier. He fought in World War II, but was frozen for years. Now he's an Avenger, fighting to save the world and help people as Captain America. He fights bad guys with a very strong shield, super strength, and advanced combat skills. Sam Wilson has metal wings that let him fly as Captain America's partner. He goes by Falcon and is very brave. Falcon has a drone called Red Wing that helps him. He watches his teammates' backs from the sky. Wanda Maximo. Wanda Maximoff used to work for the evil Ultron, but now she fights with Captain America to help people. She moves things with her mind and goes by Scarlet Witch. James Buchanan, Bucky Barnes, was best friends with Steve when they were kids. He was brainwashed to become the assassin known as the Winter Soldier, but he fights for Captain America now. He has a metal arm that is very strong and fast. He is almost as good as fighting as Captain America. Side with the invincible Iron Man. Tony Stark is a billionaire and a genius. He invented his own suit of armor that can fly and blast villains. His armor is very strong and can protect Tony from all kinds of attacks. He is one of the leaders of Avengers. Natasha Romanoff is a super spy. She used to work with Captain America at S.H.I.E.L.D. as Black Widow. She's very smart. Black Widow can also fight. She uses stingers called Widow's Bites and is very fast. When the battle rages on, she keeps her eye on the prize. James Rhodes is Tony Stark's best friend. He has a suit of armor a lot like Iron Man's. He can shoot missiles and fly, just like the original armored Avenger. The Vision. The Vision is part robot. He was created by Ultron, but now he is a good guy. He can fly, phase through solid objects, and shoot a laser from the stone on his forehead. Black Panther. Black Panther is very mysterious. He wants to bring the Winter Soldier to justice, so he fights Bucky and Captain America. He has very sharp claws that can actually scratch Captain America's shield.
Thank you so much for tuning in to Fantastic Friday! And don't forget to check out our Monday reading. Now please, click that thumbs up button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!